Isebe likaMongameli waseMzantsi Afrika liwakhaba ngeenyawo zombini amabango okuba abemi baseMzantsi Afrika baqweqwedisa kwaye bachasa abantu bamanye amazwe, lisitsho lisithi ezizityholo zonakalisa umfanekiso welizwe. Oku kulandela uqhankqalazo oluqhubekayo kwiindawo ngeendawo zelizwe ngamaqela oluntu amemelela ukuba abantu baseMzantsi Afrika babekwe phambili kwimisebenzi kwaye kuthathwe amanyathelo aqinileyo nxamnye nabantu bamanye amazwe abangenawo amaxwebhu okufudukela kweli. Isithethi sikaMongameli uVincent Ngwenya uthi nangona imingcelele enoxolo ikhuselwe phantsi komgaqo-siseko, amazwe aseAfrika adinga impendulo edibeneyo kwimingeni yokufuduka. Wongeza ngelithi uMongameli uCyril Ramaphosa kunye noMongameli waseMozambique baxhasa intsebenziswano enkulu yengingqi kwimiba yokufuduka.
The matter was discussed yesterday between President Chapo and President Ramaphosa, and they both agreed that, number one, South Africans are not xenophobic. What you have, pockets of protest, is permissible within our constitutional framework. You also have the reality that the issue of immigration is a pressure point, not only here in South Africa, but throughout the world, where protests are held on these issues. What is important from our perspective is obviously respecting the rights of everybody that is within our borders, and to, when we protest, to do so peacefully without causing harm to anybody. And in this regard, the President expects law enforcement to also play its role to prevent any acts of violence against any individual. Yesterday, both President Chapo and President Ramaphosa also agreed that the continent needs to work together to address the issues that are behind these levels of migration that we see across our continent. Issues of conflicts, issues of instability, and in some areas, if we're being honest, the misgovernance that causes people to migrate in large numbers and seek refuge in different parts of the continent, including South Africa. So they both agreed that there has to be that genuine, open and frank conversation across the continent. But the President did emphasize that South Africa is a welcoming country. South Africans are open, friendly and warm people. We will reject any notion that seeks to characterize this country or its people as being xenophobic.